Eating a diet that's lower in animal protein actually reduces sulfur-producing bacteria in our gut, which seems to be inflammatory and toxic to our cells and even our genes. You can make better choices. You can choose grass-fed beef because it has a healthier fat composition. But it is important to remember that even grass-fed beef can cause negative effects to the environment, because a grass-fed cattle would live for 4 years versus a grain-fed cattle only lives a year and a half. So that length in life will use up more water and still more methane production. There's actually been a new study that was released by JAMA. It followed 73,000 men and women and followed them in terms of their diet preference, different types of vegetarians as well as omnivores. And it actually showed that pesco vegetarians seem to have the lowest mortality risk, 19% risk reduction in mortality, just by eating a more vegetarian-based diet with fish. All vegetarians seem to benefit and have a lower risk, mortality risk, but pesco vegetarians seem to be the winners. You want to choose vegetables that are non-starchy, and the darker the color of the vegetable is usually a good indicator of the nutritional quality or quantity of that vegetable. So the darker greens are very important to incorporate every day. The darker orange vegetables like squash or carrots are really good for you. The reds are really important as well in terms of beets, tomatoes, red peppers. So a variety is important.